Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Sudan clashes is that viewers, in the previous videos, I inform you that the Sudanese army is claiming that it has taken control of many Ethiopian villages and they are moving further. And the Sudanese army claimed that a huge fighting is going on between Ethiopia and Sudan's army. But according to the news now, the Sudanese army is claiming that the Sudanese army has occupied large areas in the east of Al Fashaka. Our Sudanese army said that they have captured more villages inside Ethiopia and some soldiers of the Amhara militia and Ethiopian army captured by Sudanese army during the fighting. Viewers, and it is said that there are many wars going on between the Sudanese army and the Ethiopian army in the several places in western Gondar. Because according to senior Sudanese army officers, fighting between Ethiopia and Sudan in the last few days has further increased tension between the two countries. And many times mediation efforts have also failed. Viewers, in the previous video, I informed you that the Sudanese army has claimed that it has occupied the district of Beni Shangul. Viewers, Sudan's claim has been said by the Ethiopian government that Sudan's claim is baseless, while the Sudanese army is further claiming that the Sudanese army has occupied large areas in the east of Al Fashaka and has said that they have captured more villages inside Ethiopia and some soldiers of the Amhara militia and Ethiopian army captured by Sudanese army. But so far, no response from Ethiopian government about new Sudanese army claims. Fighting between Ethiopian and Sudanese army is going on in several areas, especially in the west of Gondar. Thanks for watching.